Ever wondered how the majestic oryx and the resilient wildebeest survive in the harsh conditions of the African savanna? Today we're venturing into the heart of Africa to explore the captivating lives of these two remarkable species. The oryx, with its long pointed horns and powerful build, is a sight to behold. Perfectly adapted to arid environments, these creatures are a testament to the wonders of nature's design. Now let's consider the wildebeest. Renowned for their great migrations, these resilient animals are a symbol of life's unyielding persistence. They thrive in the grasslands and plains where resources are scarce, demonstrating incredible adaptability. Both these magnificent species have carved their existence in one of the world's most challenging habitats. Each with unique survival techniques, they are the true survivors of the wild. Their stories are a fascinating blend of struggle, adaptation, and survival. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the fascinating world of these savanna dwellers. At first sight, oryx and wildebeest may seem quite similar, but look closer, and you'll notice a world of difference. Let's start with the oryx. This antelope species stands tall with a shoulder height ranging between 3 and 4 feet. Its body color is predominantly white with contrasting dark markings on the face and legs. One of the most striking features of the oryx is its long, straight, and pointed horns, which can grow up to 2 to 3 feet in length. The oryx's body is muscular and well-built, designed for endurance in the harsh desert conditions. On the other hand, we have the wildebeest. This creature is a bit larger than the oryx, with a shoulder height of 4 to 5 feet. Its body is covered in a shaggy coat of fur, colored in varying shades of gray and brown. Unlike the oryx, the wildebeest's horns are curved, forming a parentheses-like shape on its head. The body of the wildebeest is heavy-set, with a barrel-shaped torso and spindly legs, well suited for its migratory lifestyle. While they both possess sturdy bodies and impressive horns, their physical characteristics are remarkably different. This can be attributed to their differing habitats and survival techniques. The oryx's white coat reflects sunlight, helping it survive in the scorching desert heat, while the wildebeest's heavy-set body gives it the stamina needed for long migrations. However, they do share a few similarities. Both species have a hump at the base of their neck, which stores fat for times when food is scarce. Their eyes are positioned on the sides of their heads, giving them a wide field of vision to spot predators. The physical differences between these two creatures are not arbitrary. They are the result of millions of years of evolution, each characteristic contributing to their survival in their respective environments. The oryx and the wildebeest, despite their apparent differences, are both marvels of nature's design, perfectly adapted to their environments. The physical differences between the two not only add to their uniqueness, but also play a crucial role in their survival. Behavior can often tell us more about an animal than its physical attributes. Let's dive into the fascinating world of oryx and wildebeest behaviors, starting with their feeding habits. The oryx, an antelope native to the arid regions of Africa, is an opportunistic feeder. It's known to consume a wide variety of vegetation including grasses, leaves, and even certain types of fruit. It's a true survivor, able to get by on sparse vegetation in desert conditions. Contrastingly, wildebeests, also known as noose, follow a grazing pattern that's driven by the rain. They migrate in massive herds across the savanna in search of fresh green pastures. Their constant movement and grazing help to fertilize the soil, playing a vital role in the savanna's ecosystem. Switching gears to their mating rituals, both animals have unique approaches. Oryx males engage in a spectacular display of dominance, locking their long, sharp horns in combat to win over females. On the other hand, male wildebeests establish territories and use loud calls, physical displays, and even fights to attract females. In terms of social structures, oryx are generally more solitary than wildebeests. They form loose herds, often led by a single dominant male, whereas wildebeests are highly gregarious, forming large, tightly knit herds, sometimes consisting of thousands of individuals. Now onto their migration patterns. Both animals are known for their impressive migrations, but for different reasons. The oryx migrates in response to food availability, often covering large distances in the harsh desert. The wildebeest, on the other hand, undertakes one of the most spectacular migrations in the animal kingdom. Every year, over 1 million wildebeest traverse across the Serengeti plains in a circular pattern, following the rain and the growth of new grass. These behavioral traits, though different, highlight the adaptability and resilience of both the oryx and the wildebeest. They've each evolved unique strategies to survive and thrive in their respective environments. Despite their differences, both Oryx and Wildebeest exhibit behaviors that are key to their survival in the harsh savanna. Survival in the wild is a game of adaptability, and both Oryx and Wildebeest are masters of it. In the harsh environs where they dwell, these animals have developed unique strategies to face the challenges thrown at them. Let's delve into the survival strategies of these remarkable creatures. The Oryx, a desert dweller, has an exceptional ability to survive in extreme heat. They have a special network of blood vessels in their noses that cool down the blood going to their brains, preventing overheating. This allows them to endure temperatures that would be fatal to many other species. When it comes to predators, the Oryx, with its sharp, long horns, isn't an easy target. They gather in herds, facing outwards with horns at the ready, forming a formidable wall of defense. On the other hand, wildebeests, known for their epic migrations, have a different set of survival strategies. Their impressive endurance allows them to undertake journeys over hundreds of miles in search of food and water. Their migratory patterns help them evade predators and cope with seasonal changes. When faced with threats, wildebeests rely on their numbers and speed. They form large herds, confusing predators and reducing the chance of any individual being targeted. Their swift galloping speed also comes in handy during escapes. Interestingly, both these species share a common survival strategy: the power of the herd. Whether it's forming a defensive wall or confusing predators, they understand that there's safety in numbers. Another shared strategy is their adaptability to harsh conditions. The Oryx survives in the desert's extreme heat, while the wildebeest endures long, exhausting migrations. They've each found a way to thrive in environments that are inhospitable to many others. In the face of predators and environmental changes, the Oryx and wildebeest exemplify the art of survival. They've developed strategies that leverage their unique strengths and the power of the group to ensure their survival in the wild. Their survival strategies are a testament to their resilience and adaptability. Their story is one of survival, resilience, and the relentless pursuit of life. Every creature plays a vital role in the ecosystem, and Oryx and wildebeest are no exceptions. These two species, though distinct in their own ways, contribute significantly to the balance and health of the ecosystems they inhabit. Let's start with the Oryx, a desert-adapted antelope found in Africa and the Arabian Peninsula. This resilient animal has a profound impact on its environment, particularly on vegetation. By eating a variety of plants, they help to control plant populations and promote biodiversity. In fact, some plants rely on Oryx's grazing to help spread their seeds, ensuring the continuation of diverse plant life. Notably, their digging for water in arid regions also helps other smaller species access this vital resource. On the other hand, we have the wildebeest, a key player in the African savanna ecosystem. Like the Oryx, wildebeest contribute to plant diversity by grazing. They prefer grasses, and by consuming these they prevent them from outcompeting other plant types. This grazing behavior also helps maintain the health of the soil. As they move in large herds across the savanna during their annual migration, they trample the ground, turning over the soil and aiding in its aeration. This not only increases the soil's fertility but also helps in the growth of new plant species. Moreover, both Oryx and wildebeest form a crucial part of the food chain. They provide a significant food source for predators like lions, hyenas, and cheetahs. Their existence ensures the survival of these predator species, maintaining the delicate balance of the ecosystem. In addition, these animals' dung serves as a nutrient-rich fertilizer for the soil, further enhancing its fertility. Insects and smaller organisms break down this dung, aiding in the process of decomposition and nutrient recycling. So you see, the roles of Oryx and wildebeest in the ecosystem are far-reaching. They not only influence the vegetation and soil, but also impact other animal species and the overall health of the ecosystem. Their roles in the ecosystem are as unique and crucial as they are. So who's more impressive, the Oryx or the wildebeest? In this epic battle of nature's heavyweights, each contender brings a unique set of traits to the table. The Oryx, with its elegant horns and remarkable adaptation to arid conditions, is a testament to the resilience of life in the harshest of habitats. On the other hand, the wildebeest, with its distinctive horns and incredible migratory prowess, embodies the spirit of endurance and survival against all odds. We've delved into the physical characteristics, behavioral traits, survival strategies, and ecological importance of both these species. We've seen the stark contrasts: the Oryx's solitary nature versus the wildebeest's gregariousness, the Oryx's reliance on water conservation versus the wildebeest's dependence on seasonal migration. But we've also found similarities. Their shared importance in maintaining the balance of their ecosystems, for instance. Whether you favor the Oryx or the Wildebeest, there's no denying that both are fascinating creatures that enrich the